Before we check in with Ryan, let's check in with you. Patty sent us this video. As you can see, her pup is having some fun in the snow, maybe helping out a little bit. Doesn't look as fun for whoever is trying to clean off the deck there. If you want to share your photos or videos with us, you can use the Near Me section of our News Center Maine app. Oh, it's a good idea. Just sweep it off.
That's right.
Some of it's just been fluffy.
The next snowstorm might cover the whole dog.
Oh,
that much of it's coming.
Yeah, it's going to be dive into the snow, not just a little run around.
Which we look forward to those videos too, by the way.
Yes, exactly. Wow, we got a lot coming. Obviously, the cold on its own this weekend be a big headline. As we were talking about yesterday, the odds for accumulating snow Sunday night were going up, and they're up. We're going to get snow, especially in southern Maine, and then it stays quite cold after the storm too. So, a lot to follow. We'll get you started with what's out there right now. We're above freezing for most of us south of the mountains, and enjoy it, because I don't think we're going to have a relief from the cold for quite a while, maybe a week and a half or 2 weeks. Some snow showers and squalls out there now, the strongest one moving through parts of Oxford County at the moment. Cold air is coming courtesy of this Arctic high pressure that will build south across the country over the next few days. So those snow showers move east through the evening. I think that by 9 or 10 o'clock, most of us are dry. Tomorrow morning, single digits and teens with a little sun. Clouds will billow up during the middle of the day though, and again tomorrow, a chance for a snow shower or squall coming through. They'll be scattered around so not everybody sees one, but it is colder tomorrow. So if you do get a squall, it can coat the roads. And then we are into the freezer for the weekend. These are the actual air temperatures Saturday morning. Below zero statewide for the most part, and afternoon highs get to zero if you're lucky in the mountains and up north, single digits to near 10 elsewhere, and there will be a breeze of about 10 to 15 miles per hour, but when it's that cold, just a 15-mile-per-hour wind knocks the wind chill right down. So there is an extreme cold warning for Friday night into Saturday morning up in the mountains for wind chills to 40 below zero, and a cold weather advisory for the rest of us, wind chills around 20 below zero, perhaps even 25 below at their coldest Saturday morning. Here comes the storm. It's got origins in the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to scoop up moisture there and really ride this temperature gradient. High pressure sits over New England Saturday night, feeding cold all the way down through the southeast, while warm and moist air from Florida feeds into this system as well. A new low forms east of the Carolinas Sunday afternoon and Sunday night, and this is what travels north and brings us snow primarily overnight Sunday night into Monday, although some snow could break out a little bit earlier than that. The precise timing, when the snow starts, when it ends, will come into focus over the next 2 days. But just giving you a first look here, as early as 2 or 3 o'clock, some light snow gets to Kittery and Portsmouth, perhaps around 5 or 6, moving through the southwestern part of the state. But it takes until much later in the evening and overnight to move into the rest of the state. I already had some questions, people asking about Patriots watch parties. Check in on the start time tomorrow and on Saturday just to see if that moves up. It's going to be cold, so the snow we get accumulates from the start, and it probably snows heaviest early Monday morning, and that's right aligned with the commute, which does not look good in the vast majority of the state. And then lighter snows continue through the day on Monday, but it's bitterly cold. So this strikes me as the type of storm where the plows go out, but the snow is so powdery, it can just blow back onto the roads even with a light breeze. So I think getting around on Monday is going to be pretty challenging. This is a look at our first call for snowfall totals, and recognize we're 3 days away from this even starting. There will be fluctuations and tweaks, but I recognize you can get numbers in many places now. So our starting point is 6 to 12 inches for the vast majority of the state. Lesser amounts to the north where there's less moisture, potential for 12 to 18 inches over the seacoast of New Hampshire and southern York County. And again, we'll tweak those numbers as needed over the next few days. Next week looks quite cold. We're back into the teens to near 20 during the middle of next week, but that means the snow we get not going anywhere. And I mentioned that it's going to be a powdery snow. We don't think power outages or anything like that are on the table because it's just snow and it's not heavy and wet. So that's good.
Good news.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah. Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.